The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S versus the Maxxis Victra Sport 6, a clash between UUHP legend and a rising challenger. One tyre that has defined the segment for years, and one that's stepping in bold performance claims and aggressive value proposition. Same mission, very different strategies. Let's find out who is better. The results in this video are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These data are sourced from the 2025 Evo Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Michelin takes control immediately. It stops 1.47 meters shorter, translating to about a 5% advantage in emergency stopping, a meaningful safety margin when the road turns slippery. Through a straight-line aquaplaning, the Michelin again holds the upper hand, maintaining stability at 3.7 km/h higher speed, roughly another 5% edge in water clearance. On the wet handling lap, the gap stays in Michelin's favour. It completes the course 1.42 seconds quicker, giving it about a 2% advantage in pace and overall composure, especially through longer flowing corners. Subjectively, drivers rate the Michelin just 0.2 points higher, around a 1% confidence gain, noting a more predictable, secure feel when pushing through the rain. Overall, the Pilot Sport 4S clearly dominates the wet conditions. The Maxxis stays impressively close for its value-focused contender, but Michelin delivers strong safety margins and more confidence-inspiring drive when the grip is limited. On dry tarmac, the battle flips into a much tighter fight. In dry braking, the Michelin still holds a small edge, stopping 0.72 meters shorter, which is about 2% advantage in outright braking security. But through the handling cost, the Maxxis strikes back. It runs 0.48 seconds quicker, giving it a roughly 1% advantage in lap pace. Subjectively, drivers also favours the Maxxis here, scoring 0.3 points higher, around a 2% gain in perceived handling confidence, especially near the limit. This makes the dry battle a genuine split, Michelin for braking stability, Maxxis for aggressive and engaging driving feel. On the road route, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S shows its premium character. It scores 1.7 points higher, delivering about 8% advantage in overall comfort and noise refinement. In efficiency, it's a dead heat. Both tyres measure exactly 8.3 coefficient value, meaning there's no performance gap at all. When it comes to pricing, this is where Maxxis makes a bigger statement. In the 235/35 R19 size, the Maxxis Victra Sport 6 undercuts the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S by a massive margin, coming in at roughly 73% cheaper for the same size. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is the safer, more polished all-rounder. It dominates in wet grip, delivers shorter braking distances, and offers a noticeably quiet and more comfortable daily driving experience. It's a tyre for a driver who wants confidence in all conditions without compromise. On the other hand, the Maxxis Victra Sport 6 is a bold value-driven challenger. It feels sharper in dry handling, more engaging at the limit, and delivers stronger performance at dramatically lower price.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.